subscriber. Assalamu alaikum. The last updated channels are in the September. We can see the program in it. Then last updated channels 226 channels we can see in the setup box. First, the BTV National. Second, BTV World. সংসদ ভবন, BTV চট্টগ্রাম, ATN বাংলা, চ্যানেল আই, 21 টিভি, NTV, RTV HD. These channels are SD and HD supported. This is Boishaki TV, Bangla Vision, Desh TV, My TV, ATN News, Mohana TV. These channels are Bangladeshi channel. Bijoy TV, Shomoy TV, Independent, Masranga, Channel 9, Channel 24 HD, GTV, 71 HD, Asian TV HD, we know that Asian TV is international channel. This is SA TV HD, Gan Bangla, Jomuna Television, Dipto TV, BBC News, News 24 HD, Bangla TV HD, Toronto TV HD, Nagorik TV, Ananda TV, Nexus TV, Shanto Media. This is Bangladeshi CD channel, Ekhon TV, Channel S, Global TV. It is also international news, City Media, Madani TV, this is religional television for Islamic TV, and Saudi Sunnah, Saudi Quran, and Hindi channels are ZTV, it's also known as Indian TV channel, Star Jalsha, Colors Bangla, Sony Art, G Bangla, and so on. And we can see the international TV channels, Discovery, NTV, National Geographic, Net Geo Wild, Discovery, Animal Planet. For the children's, this is cartoon channel. Kids on Pakistan, this is Pakistani channel. Nickelodeon, Indian, Sony A, And the sports channels are Star Sports 1, 2, 3, SS Select 1, SS Select 2, Sony Sports 1, Sony Sports 2, Sony Sports 3, 5, T Sports, Sport HD, Euro Sports, PTV Sports, and the international entertainment channels are Bflix, B4U Kadak, Star Movies Select HD. Indian cinemas channels are Star Gold, G Cinema, and Picture, UTV Action, Udayan Bangla, Sony Max, and so on. And HBO is an international channel. G Action, it is a Indian. Lotus TV International, Movies Now HD International, and Flix also international channel. Sony Cinema, it is Indian channel. AXN global channel. MTV Indian channel. Sony Pix, it is global channel. National news channels are BBC World, CNN News, Al Jazeera English HD, DD Bangla, Ruposhi Bangla, Kolkata TV, Akash Bangla. This is Indian Bangla channel. TCL, it is also global TV channel. Travel XP also global TV channel. History TV, TRT World, NSK World Japan, Japanese TV channels. DW English HD, Inside TV, Qatar TV. Qatar TV is a Qatar country's TV channel. Pop Kids HD, Minika Koku, Monoranjan Brand Indian TV channel. Minika Go, MTV Beats, Zing, Shoebox, Itara, 9X Tassan, 8XM HD, Jalwa HD, Bhojpuri Cinema, Songit Bangla, B4U Movies India, Boom, Music India, Bolle Bolle, Bangla Talkies, 9XM, I Love, 9X Jackass, 9X Jalwa, My Boli, B4 Music India, Songit Marathi, Songit Bhojpuri, MTV Plus, Masti, Rose TV, Produce Kada, ARY Music, Cinema TV India, Wow Cinema One, Firangi, Manoranjan TV, Sahara Filmi, Atrangi TV, Atrangi Entertain, Anmol Cinema, Fashion TV India, Sahara One, Entertain, Cineplex Bollywood, Dhinchak 2, Entertain, Star Utshab Movies, Kuwait TV, Saudi TV 1 HD, Channel Win, Sony Wah, Goldmine Bollywood, Before You Movies, Dhamaka Movies, Movie Plus, Goldmines, Color Cineplex, Goldmine. Mostly we can see the channels Indian, Dangal, Manoranjan Music, R Plus Gold, ARY News Asia, Dabang, Pakistan TV Home, Pakistan News Channel HD, Pakistan Teleschool, PTV World, A2, ATV HD, Fashion TV HD, Papers, Planet Fun TV, DD Sports, NDTV India, Big Music, DD National, Before You Bhojpuri, Dangal 2, আপনার HD, TV9 বাংলা, তেহজিব টিভি, হাম নিউজ HD, मसाला टीवी, हम सितारे टीवी, हम पास्तो वन, फिल्माची भोजपुरी, ARY QTV, गोल्डमाइन भोजपुरी, द क्यू, ARY Digital Asia HD, Shimaro TV, as we go, Dhamal, Civiscope, Before You Class, Fact Marathi, Entertain Bangla, these channels are, we have seen that this is the last update of September in 2023. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and stay with us. Love you all. Thank you.